Morning children. Problems on exercise 5.6. Derivatives of parametric functions. Look at the board 7th question. Find dy by dx if x is equal to sin cube t divided by square root of cos 2t and y is equal to cos cube t divided by square root of cos 2t. First we find dx by dt. dx by dt. This is in the quotient form. So denominator square cos 2t whole square upon square root of cos 2t into d by dx of sin cube t is equal to 3 sin square t into d by dx of sin t is cos t minus next one sin cube t into d by dx of root cos 2t root x 1 by 2 root x root cos 2t 1 by 2 root cos 2t into d by dx of cos 2t is minus sin 2t into 2. Cancel this 2 cancelled is equal to square root of cos 2t into 3 sin square t cos t minus minus plus sin cube t into sin 2t divided by root cos 2t whole divided by root cos 2t the whole square. What is root cos 2t whole square? Root cos 2t whole square is cos 2t. Here we take the LCM cos 2t is equal to square root of cos 2t upon here this divided by this means by 1. So root cos 2t division 1 is square root of cos 2t into square root of cos 2t is cos 2t. Here square root of cos 2t division 1 is square root of cos 2t into this root cos 2t is equal to cos 2t into 3 sin square t into cos t plus here this 2 cancelled and write sin cube t into what is sin 2t? Sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t whole divided by cos 2t whole square is cos 2t. Square root of cos 2t whole square is cos 2t equals cos 2t into 3 sin square t cos t plus sin cube t into 2 sin t cos t divided by root cos 2t into root cos 2t division cos 2t means into 1 by cos 2t into 1 by cos 2t equals this is cos 2t means cos 2t raised to 1. Root of cos 2t means cos 2t means cos 2t raised to 1 and cos 2t square root of cos 2t means cos 2t raised to half. So 1 half 1 and a half. 1 and a half means 3 by 2. So we write cos 2t raised to 3 by 2. For both these two we write cos 2t raised to 3 by 2. Cos 2t into 3 sin square t cos t plus sin cube t into 2 sin t cos t divided by cos 2t whole raised to 3 by 2. Now from the numerator we take sin square t cos t common, that take outside sin square t cos t equals sin square t cos t into 3 cos 2t plus sin square t cos t. 2 sin square t. 2 sin square t divided by 3 cos 2t plus 2 by cos 2t whole raised to 3 by 2 equals. Now what is cos 2t? Cos 2t is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square t. Change this cos sin square t into cos t into 3 into cos 2t is 1 minus 2 sin square t plus 2 sin square t divided by cos 2t the whole raised to 3 by 2 equals sin square t cos t into 3 into 1 3 minus 6 sin square t plus 2 sin square t divided by cos 2t whole raised to 3 by 2 equals sin square t cos t into 3 minus 6 sin square t plus 2 sin square t is equal to minus 4 sin square t division cos 2t the whole raised to 3 by 2. Then we multiply 1 sin t inside the bracket. 1 sin t cos t outside and multiply 1 sin t with this 3 and minus 4 sin square 3. 3 into sin t, 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t divided by cos 2t the whole raised to 3 by 2 equals sin t cos t into what is 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a is sin 3a. So this is sin 3t divided by cos 2t the whole raised to 3 by 2. This is dx by dt. Similarly, we find dy by dt. Next one is to find dy by dt. In the same way, we find dy by dt. dy by dt is equal to y is equal to cos cube t divided by root cos 2t. Second one, dy by dt. dy by dt is equal to same way, numerator denominator square upon denominator into dy dx of cos cube t. Cos cube t is 3 cos square t into cos t minus sin t minus cos cube t into 1 by 2 root 1 by 2 root cos 2t into minus sin 2t. Cos 2t, derivative of cos 2t is minus sin 2t into 2. 2 cancelled. Then equals root cos 2t minus sin minus 3 root cos 2t cos square t into sin t minus minus plus cos cube t into sin 2t 2 sin t cos t divided by square root of cos 2t division root of cos 2t the whole square equals minus 3. Now we take the LCM. Root cos 2t upon root cos 2t division by 1 is root cos 2t into root cos 2t is cos 2t minus 3 cos 2t into cos square t sin t plus cos cube t into 2 sin t cos t whole divided by cos 2t into division cos 2t whole square is cos square root of cos 2t whole square is cos 2t equals minus 3 cos 2t cos square t sin t plus cos cube t into 2 sin t cos t divided by this is cos 2t raised to half and this is cos 2t raised to 1. So cos 2t raised to 3 by 2. Same as the previous dx by dt equals minus 3. We take minus cos square t sin t outside remaining 3 cos 2t. Here we take minus outside. Again we have one more minus inside. Minus 2 cos square t sin t outside remaining cos square t 1 cos t minus 2 cos square t division cos 2t whole raised to 3 by 2 minus cos square t sin t into 3 cos 2t minus 2 cos square t division cos 2t. But we know that cos 2t is equal to 2 cos 2t is equal to cos 2t is equal to 2 cos square t minus 1. 2 cos square t minus 1. Substitute minus cos square t sin t into 3 into 2 cos square t minus 1 minus 2 cos square t division cos 2t whole raised to 3 by 2 equals minus cos square t sin t into 3 into 2 6 cos square t minus 3 minus 2 cos square t division cos 2t whole raised to 3 by 2 equals minus cos square t sin t into 6 cos square t minus 4 cos square t minus 3 division cos 2t whole raised to 3 by 2 equals minus cos square t. We multiply 1 cos t inside this bracket and outside the bracket 1 cos t into sin t. Multiply 1 cos t 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t division cos 2t whole raised to 3 by 2 equals minus cos t into sin t. What is 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t? Cos 3t divided by cos 2t the whole raised to 3 by 2. This is dy by dt. Then we have to find dy by dx. We divide dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Then what is dy by dt? Minus cos t sin t cos 3t divided by cos 2t whole raised to 3 by 2 division. What is dx by dt? Our first answer dx by dt is sin t cos t sin 3t divided by cos 2t raised to 3 by 2 equals, division means multiplication by taking reciprocal, minus cos t sin t cos 3t by cos 2t raised to 3 by 2 into cos 2t raised to 3 by 2 by sin t cos t sin 3t. Cancelled. Sin t cos t cancelled. Answer minus cos 3t divided by sin 3t is equal to minus cot 3t. Cos by sin, cot 3t. Minus cot 3t is the answer. Then, this is a lengthy problem. Question number 10. 5.6, 10th question. X equals a into cos theta plus theta sin theta. Y equals a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Dx by d theta is equal to a into, what is cos theta? Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta plus, these are two terms. First function theta into derivative of sin theta is cos theta plus sin theta into derivative of theta is 1 equals, sin theta cancelled. Answer a theta cos theta. A theta cos theta. Then dy by d theta is equal to second a into sin theta, d by d theta of sin theta is cos theta minus of first function theta into derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta plus cos theta into derivative of theta is minus 1 equals a into cos theta minus minus plus theta sin theta minus cos theta equals cos theta cancelled, a into theta sin theta. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta equals, what is dy by d theta? A theta sin theta. A theta sin theta divided by a theta cos theta equals, a theta cancelled, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Then 11th question. Question number 11. Find dy by dx if x equals square root of a sin inverse t and y equals square root of a cos inverse t. Show that, not find dy by dx, show that dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Here our question is x is equal to a square root of a raised to sin inverse t and y is equal to square root of a raised to cos inverse t. We multiply x and y. X into y is equal to square root of a raised to sin inverse t into square root of a raised to cos inverse t. is equal to square root of a raised to sin inverse t plus sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. We know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So this is equal to square root of a raised to pi by 2. xy is equal to square root of a raised to pi by 2. Differentiating with respect to x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x1 is equal to square root of a raised to pi by 2. Derivative of square root of a raised to pi by 2 is 0. So x into dy by dx is equal to minus y. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus y divided by x. dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Homework 5.6, 8, 9. Thank you.